Hello, today we are going to show you what is public model and how to set the locker lock in public model. Normally, the public model of is used in Dream, and it means the locker is unlocked all the time. And if you want to open the locker, close the locker or open the locker, you have to use the same card or same password to open the locker. And now I'm going to show you how to make the locker lock in public model. Before we set the locker lock in public model, we have to press the reset button in PCB for 5 times constantly. And now we are going to set the locker lock in public model. And the password is and the 7. Okay, now is the public model. So the first card is the master card. And now we use the second card to text. See, it's closed. And now we use the same card to open it. So that's it. That's for card function public model. And now we are going to show you the password public model. It's easier than card function. Like for example, any of customers can set any of numbers they like okay, the same like card function, close. Now we use the password to open it. So open it. Now it's the locker get back to the public model. So if if you like for the next customer, like for example, you can set see, and now we use the password to open it. Okay, and the third situation is that if you forget the password, like for example, okay, now I forget the password. So, but remember we have the Mastercard, and this is for emergency. See, open it. Thank you.